Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating and saving a file so nothing is lost. Open Word, choose blank or a template that fits your goal, and set page size, margins, and orientation under Layout. This dictates spacing and print behavior. Once done, save the document right away using File Save As, choose a clear name and folder, and confirm. Docx. This first step prevents data loss, establishes page rules, and makes future formatting consistent. Now you're ready to enter text and structure. You next build structure with styles and sections so the document is navigable and consistent. Apply Heading 1 and Heading 2 from the Styles pane to create an outline and enable the Navigation pane. This helps rearrange content quickly. Then set fonts, line spacing, and paragraph spacing, and use bullets or numbered lists for clarity. Insert section breaks where you need different headers, footers, or column layouts. These steps make editing faster and ensure the final output looks intentional and professional. To finish, review and produce the deliverable so the document is ready for others. Turn on track changes and add comments for collaborative edits. Then run spelling and grammar and scan the document in print preview to catch layout shifts. Make final adjustments to images, captions, and spacing, and then export to PDF for fixed output or save to OneDrive to share editable access. If something breaks, toggle hidden formatting marks and check section breaks. That fix resolves most layout oddities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.